Hi and welcome to Excited for Coupons. If you're new, thank you for selecting this video. My name is Jasmine and I really love to find deals. I no longer pay a regular price. That has always been my motto ever since I started couponing, and I love to share that with you guys. That way you're able to save as much as you can. But with that, you do need some coupons if they're digital. In this case, we're going to go inside the Sunday inserts that are expected for March 1st, or it could be printable coupons. The best thing is for you to be able to save so much money. That way you don't pay full price for items. So let's get started and let's start going inside the inserts. These inserts are going to be available for March 1st, which is this Sunday. We're going to be getting, guys, 4 different inserts. There's Smart Source and RetailMeNot. But as you know, the coupons do vary by region, and that means that there's coupons that I might get in my area. I live in Florida, and I might see other coupons, let's say from New Jersey, which is one of those ones that I used to buy a lot, the bundles from different regions, and they will be totally different. So this is just an idea for what you could expect to come on this paper, but remember that every region will vary, even the amount, or might not even be included. So remember that there's 4, so we're gonna start going inside the Smart Source. In one of those, real quickly, I'm going to tell you that one of those Smart Stores is a different region. It doesn't mean that you're going to be getting 3. It's just that How to Shop for Free was able to provide all of these inserts, and one of those include a different region. So that means that you're able to see the same Smart Source, but just 2 different options. So I hope that's really helpful. Here is a Sunday insert schedule. The Sunday insert schedule is also very helpful for me because that way I have an idea exactly what's coming. And as you see, for March 1st, it's exactly what we are getting. We're expected to get 4 inserts. So you could go ahead and print this. This is available, and the link is right below this video. Very easy for you to click on the link. It's going to take you to my website. You could go ahead and print it. So let's get started with the first Smart Source for March 1st. As you see, the first cover, it has some candy, buy one get one free. Hopefully we get some deals for that. I love to get deals because that way the coupons that you do get in the insert, you're able to stack it up with a deal, and it's a lot less. And then we have another type of candy right next to it. So that's just the cover, and this is the Smart Source. This is the first Smart Source. So then inside we have Olive Garden, which I love to use these coupons. Anytime we go to Olive Garden or any other restaurant, we like to cut them and keep them in my little bag where I have all of my coupons. Then right underneath we have ragu sauce, 75 cents off too. So hopefully I get these, because sometimes in my region I don't get the ragu sauce. Then we have more candy. We have Save One for the Russell Stover. This is for the box, and these are for the 1 egg, which is buy 1 and get 1 free. Oh no, actually it's buy 4. Sorry guys, buy 4 get 1 free. I'm loving this coupon here, but just recently, well, I say recently because before we used to get these coupons, and we used to get a lot of printables too. But the coupons lately, they have been limit of 1 per purchase on 1 coupon per customer. So there is a deal going on at CVS starting March 1st, but these coupons are just very limited how many you could use in 1 day and 1 transaction. But if you're able to do a deal, these will be such a great coupon to get, which is the Johnson. This is a 2 off 1, and then we have another one that is Save One on Johnson products. Hopefully we get printables, that way we could just stack them up. So we'll see on Sunday. We're going to be getting Cetaphil product on any one, deducting $2, but then it has a list of all the items I believe that is included for the Cetaphil, but it does say any one. This whole page is the pen, and then we have Poise. We just have to see if there's any great deals, but we have a great amount of coupons for those. On the next page we have Jergens, save 150 off 1, save 1 off 1, and save 3 off 1, but it is specified on the type of product you could get. And this is so pretty, these new products. I haven't not seen these in my store yet, but it looks like a great product to see, and it does say only at CVS, so hopefully we start seeing those. Maybe you have seen them in your region. Be Order, we got these not so long ago, but we're going to be getting coupons again, and these expire at the end of the month, and that will be on March 31st. Right underneath, we're going to be getting more Tina. These were great for me when I did my Publix haul, and these expire very close. This will expire on March 15th. Giovanni, I love these yogurt coupons. In this case, we have 3. Sometimes we just get 2, but in this case, we have 3. And right underneath, we have Ensure, save $5 off 2, and it does say Ensure multi-packs. And this one is a little blurry, but you could make out that it's 1 a day, and the coupon on each say that is 2 weeks only, so they're high value. It looks like a great coupon to keep an eye out on if you get them, and see if we could use them on a deal before they expire. So we have 4 different coupons there, and this is a coupon that is a save 1 on 2. Right now there is a printable, so if you want to go ahead and print to have a different coupon, I'm going to provide that below. And right underneath here, we have also that expires in 2 weeks. This one expires on the 15th, and this is Dr. Scholl's. I just did the CVS Best Deals, and I did a deal idea with Dr. Scholl's. And as you know, this could be very expensive, and I'm loving the price or the value of this coupon. So go ahead and check it out if you want to see how low the price will be when the product that I mentioned starts at $16.99. So moving on with this first smart source, we have John Frieda. Hopefully we see deals on this too. Not so long ago we have printables, and so we have 2 different coupons for John Frieda. And here is showing a new type of look. This is full of life. I have not seen this, and it looks like a pretty great product. And right underneath we have Miralax, and it says it's a 1 week only. We have Claritin, the whole sheet, but they're all expire after 1 week. So now we're gonna go over the second, no, actually this is still the first smart source. Like I mentioned, we're gonna be getting 2 different smart sources, and guys, I don't want to confuse you, but like I also mentioned that there's different regions. So just the one that we just went over, this is pretty much almost the same one, but it's a different region. And as you're gonna see on this book, it's gonna show a mix of both different smart sources. So let's start going inside, and the first cover here, we have some Glade products and plugins warmer. We have a different product that we did not see on the smart source that we just started seeing previously, and this looks like a new product, SGX Nick product. We have Cetaphil that we did see in the first smart source. Ensure, once again, this we did not see on the other one that we just finished watching. So you could see that there is already a variation on both of the region smart source. So we have on this one Pledge and Windex. We did see this in the other one. Also these products, we did see the Russell, and this one I didn't see, which is Pledge, $1 off 1 for Pledge product, and this one is Glucerna products, 5 off 2. We did see Claritin, and that is all for that small insert. So that one is just a different region from the one we just finished watching, and this one is a different smart source. And as you could tell, this smart source is a smart source number 2, and it's a different region from the one we just finished seeing, because Jergens, it is included on the first smart source that we just went over, and here we are seeing it in the cover. So guys, I really don't want to confuse you, but we're going inside of it. And as you know, sometimes when you buy your coupons from a fairy coupon lady, you sometimes get a region from either Michigan, you could get from New Jersey, from Florida, from different places, and sometimes you may get a duplicate. Sometimes they try not to get a duplicate, depending on if they're just selling you 1 for each. And in this case, we're seeing that some of these are a little bit duplicate, but it's because of the region that it is. So it doesn't mean that this is what you're going to be getting in your section. So let's start going inside the smart source for the second region. We have Biore, as you see, it's also a repeat, but this is not, this is new. This is Curel moisturizer, and another different type of moisturizer. So there's two different coupons there. We have Duracell, which is also a new product or a new coupon. We did see Olive Garden on Smart Source 1. We have CoverGirl. It looks like we have more coupons for CoverGirl. 3 off 1 for face, 3 for eye, and 2 for lip. And we just got some this Sunday as well. Sally Hansen, I did mention a deal for this, and we're getting coupons. We have not received coupons from Sally Hansen in a long time. So we have Tylenol. This is Save 2 on adult Tylenol. And right underneath, you see the difference on regions. The other one was 75 cents off 2. This one is $1 off 2 for the ragu sauce. John Frieda, we did see this, the Colgate. And here we have Clorox disinfecting wipes. It looks like a great coupon, and I love the design, very different. Here we have different spring clean products, Pine Sol, and yeah, they have different Clorox spray and other Clorox products. So new coupons here. Once again, we see this, the same one that we did see in Smart Source 1. And that is all for Smart Source. What I'm going to do is provide in my website, excitedforcoupons.com. I'm going to add whenever that list is available. That way you can see exactly what is expected for Smart Source 1 and Smart Source 2. But this one, we're just going inside the books, and this is the only one that has been provided. So sorry guys that it does seem like a bit duplicate, but it does vary by region. So here, now we're going to start with RetailMeNot. This is the first book for RetailMeNot, and the front cover on this one shows Boost, and this one is deducting $4 off 2. That's the value of this coupon. And inside, we have Nature's Truth. Hopefully we start seeing deals for Nature's Truth, because it looks like this is a great brand. And here are 2 different coupons, and then we have Amberine, 7 off for that product. And now we're starting to see beauty in the same insert. We are seeing L'Oreal that we are expecting coupons for hair care, and Garnier, which is this is the Fructis Garnier, and then we have the Whole Blends Garnier. This is 3 off 2. This one is 4 off 2. And these are some great coupons to have, because there's many great deals happening this week, especially at CVS, and these coupons are a must. Then we have Breathe Right and Flonase. The next page we have all hair color products from Garnier, and that is all for that page. And then we have RetailMeNot 2. And just to give you a heads up, usually when we have RetailMeNot that has to do with beauty products, the front cover will say beauty. And both of these, as you've seen, they're not showing beauty, so you could tell this is a very simple region. So keep in mind that maybe for your section you may get way more beauty products, which I was expecting to see inside some Maybelline coupons as well. So let's go inside RetailMeNot number 2. And this is the front cover, and we have Advil, which is strange to see this in the front cover. And we have Diamond Tab and more Advil coupons right in the center. This is interesting too. This is the Sensodyne Pronamo coupon, and then another one underneath for toothpaste, or both toothpaste products or coupons. Tums and Gas X coupons for the next page. We have Dial, and such a cute packaging. This is Dial. It says Pure Moisture Body Wash. This is interesting. And then we have Dial or Tone body wash as well, and then they have a micellar foaming hand wash, which I have not seen. And they have the coupon is also including the bar soap. So great coupon here, and this expires on the 22nd. And the next coupon is Dial foaming hand wash bar soap, Dial complete 2-in-1 bar soap, and then liquid hand soap. The next page is the hair color products. This is 4 off 1, and this one is 6 off 2. Pretty high value coupons, and hopefully we all get it in case we find some deals. And this one continues from the Gas X page. Then we have the other X-Lax and Citrusel product. Such a great coupons here. We're actually getting 2 Persil coupons, the Pro Clean laundry detergent, and then this one is for the 15 count or 18 count disc laundry detergent. Right underneath we have Snuggle. This is a free starter kit coupon, and then this one's for buy 4 get 2 free coupon for the RMN. On this page we have treats, and this is buy 1 get 1 free. Greenies. It looks like a cute product there. On the next page we have Tums, $1.50 off 1, and we have some Jimmy Dean, $1.25 and $1 coupon. CeraVe, we have a few options for CeraVe, $3 product for any CeraVe, $3 off 1, $3 for skin renewing product, healing ointment, and this one is for baby product. The next page we get to see Sensodyne. This one is a different coupon from the ones that we saw at the beginning. Bella, this is dog food, 3 off 1, and then we have the single dog food, 4 off 12. I believe it's 12. We are getting herbal essence, so in case you didn't receive any from P&G, I think this one is a lower value, but it's a good way to stack them up in case you needed, you had a big haul. And AccuView and Blink, this is all for the eye products. And so guys, this is everything for 2 Smart Source and 2 RetailMeNot. There was a little incentive there by looking at a different region for one of the Smart Source. So that wasn't a little incentive. Hopefully it wasn't confusing at all. But I'm gonna try to get that list, because that list is gonna be more details, and it's usually that list does provide everything that is in most regions. So hopefully that will be helpful. So thank you guys for watching this video, for giving me some of your time to go inside together and look at the inserts that are expected this Sunday. So thank you for watching, and until the next video, bye.